Good evening teachers and my dear friends. Myself Soumya Mishra from 9th standard. Today I am present here to give a speech on World Environment Day and my topic is Saving Our Mother Earth. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th of June. In order to save our Mother Earth, it is not evenly possible. In order to save our Mother Earth, we should be sure of the happenings to the nature. We should first control the pollution that is at the very high stage. There are many kinds of pollution. For example, water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, land pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is caused by industries. The industries and chimneys. Industries releases harmful smokes in the air that contaminate the air, and the air that we breathe causes difficulty in breathing and many more health diseases. Water pollution is caused by human activities such as washing clothes, washing animals in the water resources like ponds, lakes and rivers, etc. Noise pollution is caused by human activities like playing loudspeakers at very high volume, horns of the vehicles, etc. We all are cutting trees very faster that resulted in the global warming. Global warming means the rising in the earth's temperature. We should follow the idea of 3Rs, that means reuse, reduce and recycle. Today I have made this pen holder from reusable paper and water bottle. We should use best out of waste materials to show this. So we should save our planet Earth, and we should also make things. We should not pollute the environment. We should save water, we should save electricity, we should save trees. Of course we should save trees. We should plant more and more trees in order to increase our forest level. So today I am going to end my speech and I hope that it will help.
A very overwhelming good morning to all of you. I am the student of class 10 in Subhash Chandra Academy. My name is Divyanshi Goswami. As you all know better that today we celebrate World Environment Day on 5th of June. On this beautiful day, I am going to deliver a speech that you all can recognize that how important our Mother Earth is. Our Earth is the most beautiful planet in our solar system. As far as we know, Earth is the only planet that has life before 500 AD. Man had a good relation between our Mother Earth. But since human development, cities and industries, the modern lifestyle has changed. Man has been using and misusing natural resources up to the limit. Our environment is totally polluted. We drink polluted water, inhale air full of water, and eat food with traces of particles and other toxic chemicals. Hence, we are suffering from disease. The world of today belongs to human. What are the rights of animals, birds, insects, and other living things? None. They have no rights. But why? Can you all give answer to me? No one can give answer why they have no any rights. They have a right, that is they can live freely in this environment, because our Mother Earth have no any restriction for any living being. We have built cities and forced the animals to leave their homes. Then we made our cities dirty, overpolluted and polluted. Industrialization gave us air pollution, dust, water, noise and garbages. So here I suggest eco-cities. Cities have changed into heat islands, changing the weather pattern around them. All these changes All these changes have upset the physical and mental balance of the city's inhabitants. If we do not do something to change this, not even humans will be able to live in cities, but alone other creatures are. Now once again I said that once again I suggest that live in a eco cities project. Live in a cities project, work for them. And I request to the government that the government should do better for our. Nowadays we facing coronavirus problem. It's a big problem that you all know that your coronavirus is a big problem for us. That is also a curse of nature for us, and it's all happening by us. So be ready to fight all other mini problems to them, because when we hurt our mother earth, then our mother earth is also do wrong with us. So be ready to see such kind of problems, because that is our duty, that we save our earth. So please, I kindly requested to you all that save our earth, plant trees, save wildlife, because they have also right to live in our surrounding. Bye, have a good day, and be safe from coronavirus.
Good morning to the Essentialists, my respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Dipti Upadhyay and today I am going to tell a speech. The topic of my speech is environment. Environment is surrounding in which we live. It depends to the environment. It directs our life and determine our proper growth and development. Good or bad are the qualities of the natural environment. Thank you.
Good evening to the Excellences, my respected teachers and my dear friends. I Pawan Mishra from class 10th A. I hope that you are all enjoying this day as so far, and I hope that you are all good at your home. Today topic of my speech is Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June across the world in order to create awareness amongst people about the preserving nature and environment. It is celebrated in most of the schools, offices and most government places. We are also appealing to common people across the India to plant trees and clean up the surroundings and take action against those that harm the animals. We also request people to save water and energy at their respective places as much as possible. At this forum, I would also highlight some of the diseases related to hygienic living conditions and dirty water. Water is a main source of energy, but if it remains unclean, then it becomes the source of several dangerous diseases such as dengue, malaria, etc. It therefore individually becomes important that every social responsibility and take all the preventive measures to cover the uncovered water like tank, pots, etc. Life can be very simple and fulfilling if we follow certain principles, and trust me, these simple formulas cost no money and involve no harshness, yet prove to be very effective. World Environment Day is celebrated to raise awareness about nature and significance of protecting the environment or for present and future, for sustaining the life on this planet, it means the earth. It is critical that the world's forest, oceans and soil preserved, and this act as great stores for greenhouse gases like methane, carbon dioxide. Fisher folk and farmers bind nature in order to provide us with food. Scientists and researchers developed medicines using these natural products since ages. Nature gifts are rare and cannot be purchased from money. It is important that each one of us, it is too much important for us. We can say that it is vital, it plays a vital role for us.
Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear friends. Environment is the surrounding in which we live. It is the source of life. Our whole life is dependent to the environment. It directs our life and determines our proper growth and development. Good or bad quality of social life.
Good evening to my respected principal, teacher and all my friends. Today I am going to deliver a speech on World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5 June every year. On this day, we pledge to save our environment and make our earth green and pollution free. We cut forests and switch it inland, which is a serious problem for our earth. So, to deal with this, our nation created World Environment Day. So, I requested to all of you plant more trees and make our environment green and pollution free. Thank you.
Good morning to the excellences, my respected teachers and my dear friends. The topic of my speech is environment. Environment is the surrounding in which we live. It is the source of life. Our whole life is dependent to the environment. It proper growth and development, good or bad quality of social life depends on the quality of our natural environment. The need of human beings for food, water, shelter and other things depend on the environment around us. Theirs is the balanced natural cycle exists between environment and lives of human beings. Plants and animal human society in playing vital role in which in turn negatively affects the life on this planet. All the human action in this modern world directly impact the whole ecosystem. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Pija Sheikh. I study class first and one poem. आया राजा आया लाया लाया बाजा लाया राजा बाजा बजा रहा बजा बजा कर नाच रहा राजा करता हरने का वरना करता अब राम जब जाता बाबा अल्लाह का कदम आना अब न टालता कल पर काम आज करता आज सलाम. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ritika Dubey. I study in class 6A. I am going to discuss about World Environment Day. As responsible citizen, we must remember the golden 5R principle: refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. We should be environment friendly in all our activities.
Hello sir, hello ma'am. My name is Love Charlie. Class 2nd. I presented a Hindi poem. वैसे मेरा सूखा चाय अपने साथ में जला लाया डाल डाल के पंछी चौके रंग बिरंगी चुनिया में कोयल खाए अपने सूखे होने के बाद कविता जागो तारे कल जय की गाना गाए संगीत करने के बाद चल रही जिसमें लोग का मन रहे उसको अगर आई गई.
Good morning on the occasion of World Environment Day. Respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, Ma'am and all my dear friends. I am Siva Patel. I study in class 10. On this occasion, I am presenting a speech while looking at the history of World Environment Day. I chose this topic for our better future. World Environment Day is celebrated especially to consider the issue related to the environment and solve environment problems. It is also known as Environment Day or Eco Day. This is a great annual event during which we focus our attention on issues related to environment and try to solve them completely. This opportunity is celebrated around the world with a lot of creative activities aimed at bringing positive changes in the environment. Our purpose behind celebrating World Environment Day is to protect every possible natural environment on earth so that the prospect of healthy life is always on the earth. After being declared in the year 1972, it was celebrated on 5th June by the United Nations General Assembly since 1973 for the purpose of giving information about the condition of environment degradation and the importance of clean environment and to increase global awareness about this. The inauguration of this festival was aimed at implementing effective schemes at telling people about the importance of environment and protecting the environment during the inauguration of the World Environment Conference organized by United Nations. The annual festival is celebrated according to a theme declared by United Nations. During this festival, focusing on implementing some new and effective schemes according to the subject given by the United Nations every year to save the environment. My dear friends, this festival is celebrated in more than 100 countries because no problem can be solved by any country alone. Its annual event is done annually by the United Nations Environment Programme by the individual host cities announced by United Nations. It was first organized in 1973 with the theme Only One Earth theme. In 2016, the host of the event was Anglo City. The aim of this event is to attract attention of millions of people, political and health organizations from different countries around the world to this problem and to make new plans and implement schemes to deal with this problem, controlling factors that harm the environment such as food waste, global warming, deforestation, pollution, industrialization, etc. are very important. During the program organized on this occasion, people will be encouraged to use carbon, hydroelectricity, forest management, control of greenhouse gases, promote the production of biofuels, use of hydroelectric power plants to generate electricity and use solar energy to heat the water. Encouraging activities etc. are emphasized. Healthy environment, happy future. Thanks.
Good evening. I am Bhavna Jaiswal of class 9B standard. So the topic of my speech, environment. World Environment Day. The World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. The World Environment Day was established in 1972 by United Nations General Assembly for the time first in the year 1973. The World Environment Day, good or bad quality of social social life depends on the quality of our natural environment. The need for human beings, food, water and shelter and other things depend on the environment around us. All human actions in this modern world directly impact the whole ecosystem. Thank you.
Good morning to the Excellency, my respected teachers and my dear friends. The topic of my speech is environment. Environment is the surrounding in which we live. It is the source of life. Our whole life is dependent to the environment. It directs our life and determines our proper growth and development. Good or bad quality of social life depends on the quality of our natural environment. The need of human needing for food, water, shelter, and other things depends on the environment around us. There is a balanced natural cycle exists between environment and lives of human beings, plants, and animals. Human society is playing vital role in regenerating the natural environment, which in turn negatively affect the lives on this planet. All the human action in this modern world directly impact the whole ecosystem. All the action have brought a big change in this planet, which resulted in many environmental problems. Increasing demand of technology and industry in the modern time impact the natural. Increasing invention of new technology has changed the interaction of people with environment, which permits more population to grow. The modern technology have immense power which has entered the whole environment in an unimagined way. The indiscriminate use of environment is the root of ecological crises, such as continuous increase in the technology and human behavior are corresponding very serious. Such amazing technology have become the reason of economic growth in 20th century. However, it had dramatically affected the natural resource. Some of the environmental problems are rapid growth in world population, destruction natural resources, diminishing forests and wastelands, erosion of soil and coral reefs, depleting underground, regular etc. Even though science and technology have radically altered the term of adaptation to the nature, we still need to adapt to the environment. Human society is embedded in an environment. We must not forget that the human being is first and foremost an animal sharing living space with other animal species in an environment on which they are mutually dependent. It is our responsibility to save our environment and earth and make a possibility of healthy and happiest life.
Heartily greeting and good morning on all the present respected chairman ma'am, principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends at all the auspicious occasion on World Environment Day. My name is Roshni Vishwakarma. I study in class 10. Today I want to present a speech on World Environment Day. My dear friends, we all know about the World Environment Day well, but we must also know about the objectives of World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. World Environment Day was established in 1972 by the United Nations General Assembly. For the first time in the year 1973, World Environment Day was celebrated with the aim of taking positive steps to protect the environment from polluting the earth. On this day, we especially trying to improve our nature in the future. The aim of this event is to attract attention of millions of people, political and health organizations from different countries around the world to this problem and to make new plans to deal with this problem. Controlling factors that harm the environment such as food waste, global warming, deforestation, etc. are very important. For reducing the pollution, we have to plant more and more trees and inspire the people to plant trees. Healthy environment, happy environment. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Rudrapita Yadav. I am studying class 3rd C. I am reading the poem The Rainbow. Boats sail on the river and ships sail on the seas. Birds pulled across the sky are Peter for then and this. There are bridges on the river as pretty as you please. But the boat that bridge heaven over the tops of tree and build road from earth to sky is Peter.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ansiya. My class first B. आया राजा आया लाया लाया बाजा लाया राजा बाजा बजा रहा था बजा बजा कर नाच रहा था. वो हरदम काम करता अब न वो आराम करता. जब जब जाता वह बाजार लाता गाजर आम अनार. अब न टालता कल पर काम. आज का काम आज करेगा. थैंक यू एंड बाय बाय.
Good evening. I am Sakshi Giri of 9th Standard presenting a speech on the
World Environment Day. The World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. More than 100 countries celebrate this day. Furthermore, the United Nations Environment Programme celebrates this day since the year 1973. Above all, the main purpose of celebrating this day is to spread the awareness. The awareness is about the conservation of our environment. Moreover, we can take various steps.
A very lovely good evening, sir and ma'am. My name is Subhagya Yadav. I study in class 5th B. My school name is Subhash Chandra Academy. My principal name is Mrs. Pooja ma'am. My director name is Mr. Sahil sir. My manager name is Miss Sangeeta ma'am. Happy Environment Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello ma'am, hello sir. My name is Anya. My school name is Subhash Chandra Academy, Jagalmala. This is my project. This is my
Today,
happy and Nancy Day.
Good morning everyone. Myself Aman Moria from 10th A. I am here with a poetry based on Environment Day. I hope you will be enjoyed. How can we be? How can we be the best we can be? We when faced with so much adversity. Today it is not hard to see corporations, careless distractions. We are living in a confusing time. The difference between truth and lies, inhabit of thin line, barely visuals at a time where if you turn on the TV, the news feeds promotes great fear-based propagandas is needs. How we are not present. I am here a focus, a numbed representative negative. The numbing minds nations wide it like a global sanitary, descending us with the romanticizing wars, taking more and more from the poor, and what is more, how we can really be sure what are the source is with the whole pictures. I means it never be a holes. The earth with please are the sweet away by a glade of disconnections. Sometimes it seems like a humanity lose its direction. Like a scraper, like a skyscraper built upon a soil where the seed of hope are trying to break up. It is a hand to see how it could be possible grow into a tree. Thank you. I hope you will be enjoyed.
Just, I wish a very warm good evening to all of you. I welcome everyone with much pleasure to participate here. Today we are gathering here to celebrate the World Environment Day. At first, I am going to something about the World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Its aim is to raise global awareness about our environment. Do you know when the World Environment Day has begun? In the year 1972, the United Nations Conference on the Women Environment was held from 5th. It has been hosted by different theme. This year's theme of World Environment Day is Green Economy. Likewise, in 2011, the theme was Forest Nature of our Survival. Everyone knows the importance of our nature. It consists of all the living in Earth. Our environment is one of the most important assets to survive on this planet. Moreover, it is the only thing that can make life suitable without it. We cannot survive even a second. It is a source of life. Environment is a surrounding where we live. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. I am Saurabh Giri of class 10 and I would like to congratulate you all the World Environment Day. Today is 5th June. 5th June is celebrated as the World Environment Day across all over the world. There are many other programs like the World Environment Day such as Earth Day, Van Mahotsav, afforestation program, and the common and the main goal of all these programs is to conserve and protect our environment and re-establish the balance, ecological balance of our Mother Earth. As we know that we live on this planet and on the culture of humanity we call it as our Mother Earth. And we call it as Mother Earth because it give us all of the resources we use to sustain and survival on this planet. But we are exploiting it very much at a very extravagantly process. But we can stop this by doing our effort. Today, in the year 2020, the main theme of the World Environment Day is the biological diversity. The biological diversity is in a simple way is the mean by there are many millions and millions of organisms in our planet, and there is the very importance of each and every organism to maintain the ecological balance. But by killing and poaching them, we are disturbing the ecological balance, which can cause severe effects to our life home. The main cause of all these exploitation of resources and animal are the daily life, the daily basis we use to exploit our environment. A common example we can take is the use of air conditioner. Air conditioner gives us cool air, but it can cause a vast effect, a harmful effect on the ozone layer as it releases the chlorofluorocarbon. But we can put our effort by the minimize use of this equipment. There are many organisms. According to a government report, there are 10% of flora and 20% of fauna which are in the endangered species. But 50% of forests have been vanished out from our country. There are no more mangrove forests in our country. The wetlands have been drained out. But we can re-establish all these things by putting our effort. So I am here only to tell you one thing, that we can do our part to maintain the ecological balance, as we have to sustain and survival on this earth by not compromising the future of our future generation and the environment. Thank you.
A very good evening to all of you and my all friends. Today I am here for speech of World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. Every year its aim is to raise global awareness about our environment. Do you know when the World Environment Day has begun? In the year 1972. The United Nations Conference on the Human Environment of held from 5th June to 16 June. After that, every year on 5th June it has been hosted by different countries of the world with different themes. People from more than 100 countries celebrate this day. Furthermore, the World Environment Day is run by the United Nations Environment Programme. On the World Environment Day, we all take a day off from our work. This year, theme of World Environment Day is Green Economy. Likewise, in 2011, the theme was Forest Nature at Your Services. In 2011, it was all many spices, one planet. Zero Nature. In 2010, it was many species, one planet, one future. In 2009, the theme was Your Planet Need You United to Combat Climate Change. Thank you.
Dear Principal Ma'am, teachers and my all dear friends, I am the student of class 8 in Subhash Chandra Academy. My name is Sajid Dikshit. The topic of my speech in environment. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5th, and we created to inspire people around the globe to become active about the environment and learn more about ways they can help to ensure the future of our planet is safe. It is your responsibility to save our environment and earth and make the responsibility to healthy and happy life here. Thank you.
Instant our skin will burn, the lungs will get erupted, our blood pressure would rise.
Furthermore, we will not have food and water to survive, and this will also be possible because of the imbalance of heat and atmospheric pressure. Thus, it is important that we should take care of the environment. Also, abandon all explanation that we are causing it. World Environment Day celebrates on 5th June every year. People from more than 100 countries celebrate this day. Furthermore, the World Environment Day is run by the United Nations Environment Program since the year 1973. Above all, the main purpose of celebrating this day was to spread awareness. The awareness was about the conservation of our environment. Moreover, to also the various preventive measures to avoid the effects of global warming. Since we all know that global warming is the root causing of the ruin of our environment, therefore it is our duty to protect our environment and stop all the explanation that is destroying it. Because in the end, it is our basic need for our survival and our generation ahead. On the World Environment Day, we all take a day off from our work and join various campaigns to spread awareness about environment protection. Moreover, we all plant small saplings in a barren land so that it may grow and flourish in the land area after some years. Also, we take part in various processes to make people aware of these days, so that they may also take part in protecting our environment. Furthermore, in school, the teachers teach the students the method to plant a tree. The school provide buses to take the student to the jungles. There they come to know about the different types of plants and the types of vegetation in which they survive. Also, the students have a sapling from their homes and plant them inside the ground. This helps them in getting practical knowledge. Further, it also creates an emotional attachment to the environment.
Good morning, dear friend. Good morning, respected teachers. I am Kasil Banwar for class 6. I am here to represent a topic which is the World Environment Day. World Environment Day celebrate 5th June. Trees are given us fruit, food and wood. Most important, oxygen. Second, easy importance. First, don't use plastic. First, plastic bottle, plastic tiffin, anyone. Second, don't cut tree. Thank you.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. My school name is Subhash Chandra Academy. My name is Diksha Yadav. 5 जून को पेड़ पौधे लगाने से हमारे आसपास के वातावरण शुद्ध रहते हैं. प्रणाम.
Good morning to respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. As we have granted her to celebrate this occasion, I would like to speak our environment. Environment is the surrounding in which life. It is the source of life. Other whole life is depend to environment. It district of life that determines our proper growth and development, good or bad quality. So social life depend on equality of our natural environment. The need of human beings for food, water, shelter and other things depend on the environment around us. There is balanced natural cycle exist between environment and life. Life of human beings, planet and animal. Human society is playing vital role in deterring in natural environment, with the turn negatively affect the life on planet. All the human action word word, which directly impact to the whole ecosystem. Thank you. I have a great day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning to the excellences, my respected teachers and my dear friends. The topic of my speech is environment. Environment is the surrounding in which we live. It is the source of life. Our whole life is dependent to the environment. It proper growth and development, good or bad quality of social life depends on the quality of our natural environment. The need of human beings for food, water, shelter and other things depend on the environment around us. Theirs is the balance. Natural cycle exists between environment and lives of human beings, plants and animal. Human society in playing vital role in which in turn negatively affects the life on this planet. All the human action in this modern world directly impact the whole ecosystem. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Samiksha Yadav. I study in class 3rd C. My school name is Subhash Chandra Academy. I like to Hindi poem. चंदा मामा आ जाना, साथ मुझे कल ले जाना, कल से मेरी छुट्टी है, ना आए तो कुट्टी है, चंदा देता हमें चांदी, सूरज देता धूप, मेरी अम्मा मुझे पिलाती बना टमाटर सूप, थक की देख देख कर जब अम्मा मुझे सुलाती रात में, सो जाता चंदा मामा से करता करता बाद में। थैंक यू।
That quality of social life dependent on the quality of our nature's environment. The need of human beings for food, water, shelter and other things dependence on the environment around us. Thank you.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. My name is Khushi Yadav. I study in class 2nd A. My school name is Subhash Chandra Academy. I like to Hindi poem. हुआ सवेरा सूरज आए, अपने साथ उजाला लाए, डाल डाल पर पंछी चाके, रंग बिरंगे फूल है माँ कर कोयल गाए, अपने सुर से हमें जगाए, छोड़कर बिस्तर जाके सारे लगता यही गाना गाए, ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही थी, तितली फूलों पर मंडराए, आलस तय को काम करो सब सूरज ये संदेशा लाए। थैंक यू।
Good evening, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends, all at the auspicious occasion of World Environment Day. My name is Vartika Dikshit. I study in class 10th. Today I want to present a speech on World Environment Day. Topic on this occasion: good or bad quality of social life depends on the quality of natural environment. The need of human beings for food, water, shelter and other things depends on the environment around us. It is our responsibility to save our environment and earth and make the possibility of healthy and happy life here. Thank you.